Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme on the Proton Mail application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change the theme of the Proton Mail application, you firstly have to open the application.
You firstly have to
After
open
opening
the application,
you will see the three bars
after
in the
opening
top
the
left
application,
corner.
you will see the
Click
three
on that
bars into the
three-bar
top
icon,
left corner.
and then you'll
Click
get the
into
settings
that three
option
bar,
in the more menu.
and then you will get the
Click
setting
on
into
settings.
the more option. Click
Now,
the settings.
after clicking on
now
settings,
after clicking
you'll be
to
prompted into the
settings,
settings
you'll be
tab.
prompted into this setting
just
tab.
simply
You
have
just
to
simply
select
have
the
to
theme
select
option in the
theme
app
option
settings.
into the app settings.
After tapping on the
Now
theme
after
setting,
tapping
you
to
can
the
set
theme
the
setting,
theme to system
you can
default,
set the
light,
theme
or
into
dark
system or
You
default
can choose any of
or
these three
light
options.
and dark mode.
Just
You
select
can choose
the theme,
either of
and then
these
it will
three options
automatically
here.
change the
Just
theme of
simply
your Proton
select
Mail
the
application.
theme, and then it will
I hope
automatically
this video
change
was
the
helpful
theme
for
of
you.
your Proton Mail
If
application.
yes, don't
I
forget
hope
to
this
like,
video was
share,
helpful
and
for you.
subscribe to the
If
channel
yes,
to never
don't
miss
forget
another
to
update.
like, share, and subscribe
Thank
to
you
the
for
channel
watching the
to never
video.
miss